Unlocking creativity. Dive into the world of paintings for writing inspiration. Hello there! Today, we're venturing into a beautiful intersection of art and language, using paintings and illustrations to inspire our creative writing. Visual stimuli, especially paintings, have the power to evoke strong emotions, narratives, and ideas. Let's learn how they can be the key to unlocking your next great story or poem. Paintings and illustrations are more than just images. They are stories frozen in time. Every painting captures a moment, emotion, or narrative. Open to interpretation. Their meanings aren't fixed. They vary from person to person. Emotionally evocative. Colors, expressions, and scenes can evoke a range of feelings. Using them as prompts allows writers to dive deep into their own interpretations and evoke unique narratives. The best part? No two writers will see a painting the same way. 1. Absorb the art. Spend a few minutes just looking at the painting. Notice the colors, the characters, the environment. 2. Initial reactions. Write down your first thoughts. Is it somber, joyful, mysterious? 3. Ask questions. Who are the characters? What are they doing? Why are they in that setting? 4. Write freely, without overthinking. Start writing a story, poem, or description inspired by your observations. Remember, there's no right or wrong. It's all about letting your imagination flow. Here's a simple exercise to start. Imagine a famous painting, like Van Gogh's Starry Night, or Da Vinci's Mona Lisa. If you're unfamiliar with them, any vivid painting or illustration will do. Follow the steps mentioned in Section 2. Write a short story or poem based on what you interpret. The joy of this exercise is that the same painting can lead to a myriad of different, unique stories. The world of art is vast and inspiring. Using paintings and illustrations for creative writing helps us view art from a fresh perspective while honing our storytelling skills. We hope you found a new, exciting way to fuel your creativity today. Happy writing and see you in the next video.